Okay, now question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 upon 2 hours. Suppose Michael finished coloring a picture. Michael is coloring one picture and he took 7 upon 12 hours. So how much time Michael has taken to finish coloring a picture? 7 upon 12 hours. Now Weber finished coloring the same picture in 3 upon 4 hours. So same picture, okay, same picture. Michael took 7 upon 12 hours to color a picture, whereas Weber took 3 upon 4 hours to color the same picture. So we have to find out who worked longer, who take more time to color a picture first thing. By what fraction was it longer? So we have to find out who took more time. Michael took more time to color the picture or Weber took. And the difference, how much the difference was there, who has taken more time, the difference also we have to find out. So the question is clear. We are having, suppose one picture. In this picture Michael took how much time? 7 upon 12 hours to finish coloring a picture. Same picture Weber took 3 upon 4 hours to color. So this is the time taken by Weber and this is the time taken by Michael. So we have to find out who took more time to color a picture and what was the fraction. The difference also we have to find out. Okay. So we will write the solution. Time taken by Michael. We will write time taken by Michael to color the picture. How much time Michael has taken? 7 upon 12 hours. Now we will write the time taken by Weber. Time taken by Weber to color the picture. We can write picture or same picture is 3 upon 4 hours. Okay, so we have written time taken by Michael to color the picture is 7 upon 12 hours. Time taken by Weber to color the picture is 3 upon 4 hours. Okay. Okay, now you can see the denominator of Michael is 12, whereas the denominator of Weber is 4. So we have to convert these denominator as like fraction. Like fraction means this and this denominator, both the denominator should be same. So what we have to do, we will take the LCM of 12 and 4. So we will take the LCM of 12 and 4. So 2 6 are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3 1s are 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the answer of LCM is what? 12. Now we have to make this as 12. Similarly this as 12. It is already 12, so we will not do anything with this one, but we will change this 4 as 12. Okay. So the fraction of Michael was what? 7 upon 12. Already 12 was there, so we will not do anything. The fraction of Weber was 3 upon 4, right? So 3 upon 4. In 4, what we will multiply so that it should become 12? 4 3s are. If we are multiplying 3 over here, so at the top also we have to multiply. So this become 4 3s are 12 and this become 9. Now you can see the fraction of Michael, the denominator is 12, whereas in Weber also the denominator of Weber is 12. Now it is very easy to compare both the values. So 7 upon 12 and 9 upon 12, which fraction is greater? Obviously this one, 9 upon 12. So who took more time? 9 upon 12 is what? 3 upon 4. So we understood who took more time. Weber took more time because 9 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 12. This was the figure of Michael. This was the time taken by Michael, that is 7 upon 12. And now the time taken by Weber is 9 upon 12. So we come to know that Vaibhav took more time than Michael. Now we have to find out the difference also. So what we will going to do next? Need to subtract. So we will write, I will write over here. Thus, Vaibhav worked longer than Michael. Okay, firstly we will write this, then Vaibhav worked longer time by is equals to, the one figure was 9 upon 12 and one figure was 7 upon 12. So 12 and 12 are common, so we will take 12 as common value. 9 minus 7 is what? 2 upon 12. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, so it becomes what? 1 upon 6. So what we will going to write next? We will write, thus Vaibhav took 1 upon 6 hour more time than Michael. Okay.